planning to consult a derma, any suggestions po? To look for a board-certified dermatologist near you, I think you can go to the website of the Philippine Dermatological Society, www.pds, as in P, D, and S.org.ph. Yung PDS actually stands for the Philippine Dermatological Society, and I think they have an option there to find a dermatologist or search a dermatologist. And I think may geolocation something sila. So if ever you're located in a certain area, you can find a board-certified dermatologist na malapit sa iyo. Second is, dapat if you're on a budget, pwede kang tumawag sa office nila. No? Magkano ba ang consultation ni Doc? Pwede mong i-search yung pangalan ni Doc. May mga online platform si Doc. And then para makita mo for reference yung mga consultation fee niya. Kailangan mo rin alamin kung nag-online consult pa siya or physical consult lang. So, para at least ma-match mo sa lifestyle mo. Also, kailangan maging ready ka. Kailangan alamin mo kung ano yung pinaka-skin concern mo talaga. Pinaka-priority mo. Kasi guys, kung pupunta ka sa dermatologist, ang dami mong mga skin concerns na gustong i-address all at once, baka ma-overwhelm ka din. Baka ma-overwhelm ka sa dami ng mga topicals na ibibigay or procedure na i-recommend sa'yo. And of course, ma-overwhelm din sa price din. Kasi syempre, pag dumadami yung topicals and procedures, lalaki or mag-blow up din po yung price. So, ang suggestion ko, pwede kang magtanong about your other skin condition, but i-prioritize mo sa mind mo kung ano yung pinaka-top one mo doon. Dapat pasok ka sa clinic, okay, ito yung ipa-prioritize ko. If ever may i-recommend si doc ng mga gamot or procedure, ito muna yung i-avail ko for this one kasi siya yung pinaka-importante. But of course, guys, if you have a pathological, if may mga skin diseases kayo na gustong idulog sa inyong dermatologist, I think lahat sila importante. So, I think it's a different scenario when it's cosmetics, okay? So, if cosmetic yung concern niyo, then very important na i-categorize nyo siya based on priority. And another tip, guys, na huwag kayong ma-pressure. So, pag nahihiya kayo sa doctor or derma na mag-say no, sabihin nyo na lang, Doc, thank you so much for your time, Doc. I really appreciate it. Please let me think about the treatments po muna. Pwede namang magsabi ng ganun. Hindi naman po kayo required na mag-avail ng any skincare sa clinic or gawin yung procedure. So, wag po kayo ma-pressure. Always communicate that. And also just be honest. Kung sabihin mo like, Doc, sorry po, Doc, kasi parang hindi ko po talaga kaya ng budget ko. As of now, pag-iipunan ko po, Doc. Pwede naman ganun, di ba? Pwede naman ganun. So, pwede naman ganun. So, mas maganda kung maging mas honest ka. And also, guys, pakinggan niyo yung mga feelings ninyo deep inside. If feel mo okay si Doc, makinig kayo sa self. Kasi usually tama si self sometimes. And looking for somebody that you want to trust your skin with, no, it's very important. Kagaya lang din yan ng relationship, guys. No? If may nafe-feel ka na parang hindi okay, so, pwede ka namang mag-seek ng second or third opinion. So, wag kang basta-basta mag-jump into a certain thing without really thinking hard about it. So, pwede naman pong pag-isipan muna. So, I guess yun lang so far. Yun lang naisip ko so far. So, if may mga questions kayo, you can send me a direct message or you can comment below. Alright, guys? For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!